Hey guys, it's me Eileen, aka Latin Loca. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox my March Tombox. So, with further ado, let's get started. Here it is. So I've been waiting for this for a while. I recently received it not too long ago. So I would have done this unboxing earlier, but I just received it. So here is the card it comes with all your little goodies inside. The first thing we got is Ethereal Beauty Gold Dangle Earrings. So that will be these cuties right here. I'm sorry if the lighting is too bright. It's cute, right? Edgy. The next thing we got is Payadillo Charcoal Blue Liquid Eyeliner. Where is that? And I think this is what it looks like. Charcoal blue. I love any blue eyeliner because that's what I'm into so far right now. It's like a little charcoal color with a little hint of blue. That's how it looks like. So it says smear approved, long lasting with easy to use point tip applicator that glides smoothly to create fine lines. And that retails for $6. I forgot to mention the earrings retail for $9. So what's next? Mana Cador Fantasy 3-in-1 eyeshadow and blush / highlighter. So that has to be this cutie right here. Let's see. Do I open you? How do I open you? Oh, it looks like this. Okay. This glare. I like this color. It's a cute color for my skin tone. Oh, how do I open this? I don't want this to be a long video, you guys. Which I don't mind though. Okay. Come on. Sorry. I know some of you guys are grossed out by it, but whatever. So it looks like this. How cute. Okay, this is the thing that, ooh. So it looks like that. I don't know if you can see it. See how cute. I don't know if you can see that. I guess you can see it on my finger though. Okay, next we have is the Fruity Lip Balm. I'm excited to try this. It's, oh well, I'm sorry. Let me get back to that. The highlighter, highly pigmented, retails for $9, which is not too bad, you know. It's affordable. Oh, so this is the Nick Ack New York Strawberry Lip Balm. And these are just fun. Keep them in your office drawer at work for a refreshing touch-up for dry lips. Contains vitamin E, available in a variety of fruit flavors. Retail for $4. And look at the packaging, is so cute, and they give you a good amount, which is not bad. This is gonna last me for a while. Next we have is the Be a Bombshell Mechanical Lip Liner in Temptress. Apply to the edge or of top and bottom lips, starting in the center and working your way out the corners. So this retails for $6. And that looks something like, there you go. It says Bombshell. guys, like seriously. Oh, trying to open it so that I can swatch it for you guys. Let's just say I love my Tomboxes, my subscription. I'm like so in love with it because it's like a gift for yourself every month. Here is what it looks like. Let's see. Cute little color right here. Cute. I like that. The next is the Cougar 3D Eye Lift Serum, imported from the UK. This serum detoxifies skin and brightens, plumps, and tightens the under eye, adding luminosity and glow to the skin from the brightening ingredients of allantoin and blah blah blah. I don't know. Creating wide awake, brighter eye. Retail for $23. That's looks like this, and I really need something for my under eye, so I am excited to try that. Looks like that. So yeah, gonna try this for sure tonight. The next thing we have is the Nikak Blending Makeup Sponge with 360 degrees and usable surface and curves that fit the face. Flawless. Apply primers, moisturize, foundation, BB creams, concealers, liquid blush. That's that retails for $5. Like I said in my last video, we can never get enough beauty blenders. What's next? We have the Ethereal Beauty Snowflake Earrings. One last dash of winter magic before spring. These earrings dazzle. These can take you to the fanciest events, help you stand out from the crowd, and it retails for $10. And they are cute, you guys. You can use them for any little event. So these are cute. And the next thing we have is, you guys, I did not eat these this time because I wanted to make this video, but boy was I tempted. So here we have the treat, Belgium chocolate Alice. This is our last month to ship these out, as the warming weather is going to make them into a gooey mushy soon. But enjoy these one more time. So here they are. So I'm excited for these. Like, I've been on this like chocolate crave, you know, like since I've been working out. I cannot have any sugar, but boy, and I'm gonna indulge in these. So also, you get to choose between pads, tampons, or panty liners. I chose pads, which I think for my next box I'm gonna switch it up and get the panty liners, because I'm like, I have a lot of these. So these are the Always 8-hour leak guard protection, clean scent, and there's 14 in here, ultra thin active. So that's it for my video, you guys. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Any questions in the comment section below, please, and bear with me. I'm trying to make more videos and get a better camera soon. So, you know, let me know what you guys want to know, what you guys want me to review. I'll go buy it and review it for you guys. So yeah, so I hope you had a good day, blessed day. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye bye.